The first temple in Jerusalem, also known as Solomon's Temple, is a significant religious and historical structure in the Abrahamic faiths of Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. Construction. The first temple was constructed in the 10th century BCE by King Solomon, the son of King David, according to biblical accounts. It was built on Mount Moriah, where it is believed Abraham was prepared to sacrifice his son Isaac. Purpose. The temple served as the central religious and spiritual hub for the Israelites and housed the Ark of the Covenant, which was considered the holiest relic in Judaism. Design and features. The temple complex was an elaborate structure. It consisted of a main building, the holy place, and a smaller chamber called the Holy of Holies, which was separated by a veil. It was adorned with precious metals, stones, and fine wood. Surrounding it were various courtyards. Destruction. The first temple stood for approximately 370 years until it was destroyed by the Babylonians in 586 BCE under the rule of King Nebuchadnezzar II. This event is known as the Babylonian captivity or Babylonian exile. Exile and return. Following the destruction, many Jews were taken into captivity in Babylon. After the Persian king Cyrus the Great conquered Babylon, he allowed the Jews to return to Jerusalem and rebuild their temple. Reconstruction. The second temple was constructed on the same site, with construction beginning in 516 BCE. This temple served as the central religious institution for the Jewish people until 70 CE. Herod's Temple. In the 1st century BCE, King Herod the Great undertook a massive renovation and expansion of the Second Temple. It became known as Herod's Temple and was considered one of the most magnificent structures of its time. Destruction by the Romans. In 70 CE, during the First Jewish-Roman War, the Romans, under the command of Titus, besieged and ultimately destroyed Herod's Temple. Aftermath. Since the destruction of Herod's Temple, the Western Wall, or Wailing Wall, is the only remnant of the Second Temple complex that remains today. The Temple Mount remains a significant religious and political focal point in the region. The history of the First Temple and its successors is central to the religious identity and historical narrative of Judaism. It also holds importance for Christianity and Islam, as the Temple Mount is believed to be the location of several significant events in the lives of Jesus and the Prophet Muhammad, respectively. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.